Hi, welcome to Daily Conversations, Lesson 6. Go to the bank. 去银行. 去 means go. 银行 is bank. There are 4 big government-owned banks. First one called Bank of China, 中国银行. Second one is Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, 中国工商银行. So here, industrial means 工业 and commercial means 商业. It's a combination of industrial and commercial called 中国工商银行. Third one called China Construction Bank, 中国建设银行. So here means construction, 建设. The fourth one called Agricultural Bank of China, 中国农业银行. Agriculture is 农业. There are many more other banks in China, but they are not government-owned banks. Once you go into the bank, you will see usually a machine called number machine, because the bank in China is usually quite crowded in some specific time. Whenever you go there, you first need to get a number and wait, sit there, wait, and then there will be another machine to call your number, go to which window they can serve you. So number machine, 取号机. 取 means take. How we remember from last video is number. 机 means machine. We learned this. So the machine to get a number, 取号机. Another word is the ATM machine. We call it in Chinese 自动取款机. 自动 means automatic. 取 means take or get. 款 means money. It's an official way to call money. Money has another way to say in Chinese. It's 钱, right? So 自动取款机. Also, we have a machine you can actually put money into the machine to deposit to your account. Here, we don't use 取, we will use 存, means save. Once you go into the bank, the people will ask you, how may I help you? If you directly translate this sentence into Chinese, they say, 我怎样能帮助你? So here's the word for question, how. 怎样 or 怎么. This is the verb, help. 帮助. 我怎样能帮助你? However, in Chinese language environment, we don't say this kind of sentence when you go for a service. People usually ask, 请问您办理什么业务? Translate into English, it is, what business do you request? What business do you want I do for you? So this is a different language environment. We use different words. The bottom one is more common. Say, 请问您办理什么业务? Again, the red color is a question, which is after the verb. What? 什么? Business, 业务. What business? 什么业务? Here, 办理 means do or request. 请问 means may I ask. 您 is a respect way to call you. OK， 请问您办理什么业务？ This is usually the people, the banker talk with you when they see you at the window. You will tell, I want to open a bank account. 我想开一个银行账户。I 想 I want. Open means 开. So in Chinese we use a lot of this 开 for the word. For example, we want to turn on the light. We say 开灯. So here we want to open an account. We say 开一个账户. Here E is 1. 个 we learn is a mirror word. 银行 is bank. Here's a new word. 账户 means account. 账户. Okay, please show your passport. We learned this, right? Show means 出示. Passport, 护照, we learned in last video. You have to show your passport when you want to open an account. The banker said, I need to copy your passport. Copy means 复印 passport. 我需要 I need 复印您的护照 means your passport. Copy. Then submit to the police office. 然后提交给公安局。So here, 然后 means afterward, or then means I do one thing, after that I do another one. It's a very common word, 然后, showing the order of doing things. Submit, 提交。公安局, here, they don't directly say police office. In China, we call it Public Security Bureau. So 公安 means public security. 局 is bureau. But it's the same function, same meaning. It's just a different way to call it. 公安局. So the whole sentence will be, 我需要复印您的护照，然后提交给公安局。Then the banker continuously telling, after reviewing, you can open the account. In Chinese, 公安局审核以后才能开户。So here, the red one, 以后 means after. So in English, you put after in front of the verb. But here, we do this before after. We say 公安局审核 means review or checking. You can open the account. 开户 means open the account. Here, 以后才 is a phrase. Means you have to do the first thing. After that, you can do the next one. It has a direct link. If you don't do the first, you cannot do the second. For example, you have to brush your teeth and then sleep. We say 刷牙以后才能睡觉. Okay? So 以后才 is a phrase you can use frequently. Then the customer asks, how long will it take? In Chinese, 要花多长时间？花 means spend. Spend time or spend money. 花. It also have a meaning as a noun, means flower. Here means it's a verb, means spend. Time here. So how long? Again, we put the question exactly in front of the place that you're asking. 多长 Another way to say this sentence is 要多久 It's the same meaning. 久 means long, how long? Okay. 公安局审核以后才能开户。要花多长时间？要多久？ The banker answered, about 2 to 3 days. In Chinese, 大概2到3天。So 大概 is about, almost. 到 is to. Here, to there. 到。And if you pay attention, we here say the number 2. We don't say R, we learned. But we say 2. Actually, they are the same meaning. But 2 is more oral. You don't say 大概2到3天. Rarely you say that. But normally you say, most of the time people say 2到3天. They're the same. Means 2. We will call you when we receive their response. In Chinese, 我们收到回复后会给您打电话。This is a bit long. You see, this is a 2 sentence combined with when. In Chinese, we usually put this part when in the front. So it's the opposite order. The red part is here. The blue part is here. This is the habit of Chinese. We don't use the same kind of grammar like English. So we first say the condition and then say what we will do. In Chinese, 我们收到 receive 回复 response 后 means after. Actually, it means after they receive their response. Will 会给您打电话。So 打 means call. 电话 is phone. 大概2到3天，我们收到回复后会给您打电话。Now remember here the grammar is different. Besides the debit card, do you also need a credit card? The banker continued to ask the customer, what do you want, debit card or credit card? In Chinese, 除了借记卡以外，您还需要信用卡吗？ Here, debit card, 借记卡. So you can put money, your own money in there. Credit card. We learned in that go to restaurant video. 信用卡. Here is a phrase. 除了以外 means beside. Include debit card. 除了以还 means also. Do you still need? 除了借记卡以外，您还需要信用卡吗？ Actually, as a foreigner, if you want to open a credit card, you need to have your resident card, your working permission, and everything. It takes time. You can get your credit card. No, thank you. 不用，谢谢。Again, this means opposite. 用 means need. 不用 means no, I don't need. What is your phone number? Here the red part, what, is at the end. 您的电话号码是什么？ Here 您的 means your. 电话 cell phone, 号码 number, 是 is. So what is your phone number? Actually, it's totally opposite order. Your phone number is what? Okay. 您的电话号码是什么？ Then you will provide your cell phone number, and they will probably call you after the review process in the police office. After that, you can directly go to the bank and get your account. Alright, in this video we have several new vocabulary I wish you can remember. First one, 银行 is bank. 账户 account. 借记卡 debit card. 信用卡 credit card. And we have three important verbs for you to remember. The first one, help. 帮助 help somebody. 帮助 Second one, 收到 receive. 收到 Last one, 出示 show. And we'll have a phrase 除了以外. So you put whatever one except or beside in the middle of 除了以外. And the word in the middle or person in the middle can be include or exclude depending on your talking environment. Okay, thank you for watching. I wish you learned something. Bye. 再见.